You're welcome back again to this channel, and remember, this channel is for beginners like me. We're all learning together. We learn every day. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and also share. If you have any questions, make sure you drop it at the comment section. And today in this video, I'll be teaching you a simple exercise that can make you grow when it comes to speed. It's a very simple one, and even if you're an intermediate drummer and you don't know any exercise that you can use for your practice, you can always use this. Now it's just you'll be using your kick and just one hand, and you can always interchange the hand. Like I said, it will always help when it comes to speed. It is very simple. Now you can start with a single kick and a single hit on the toms, the snare, hi-hats. Okay, so this is how it goes. Now remember to always start very slow. When you're starting as a beginner, start very slow, and then later you can increase your speed. And then when you've gained confidence on this, you can always increase it. Increase your speed again when you've gained confidence. When you've gained another momentum and confidence, you can always increase it again. So that's how you can go with this. Just increase your pace, and then you don't forget to try with the second hand. Just like you did with your right hand, make sure you try with the left hand. Increase your pace gradually. Don't just start up and down. No, it doesn't work like that. It's not rocket science. You start gradually. Make sure you enjoy it. Practice often and often, and then we'll see you at the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this video, like this video, and also share. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section. I'll see you at the next video. Thank you very much.